Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your EDIFIER X5 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, because firstly we need to perform a soft reset. So I just put it here and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and then you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. So remove your earbuds and check it, maybe your problem fixed. If it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the bottom we have connection button, and you need to only press 3 times at this button. 1, 2, 3. And now this LED light start blinking. It's mean we need to just wait. After that it start to flashing white and red, and it's mean that it perform a factory reset and enter to prank mode. Now we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then add it again. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And now click forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And if you have iOS, you can or just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or go back and return here. And we will see these earbuds at the device list. Now you need to only tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!